Hello everyone, welcome to Hua Hin Beach here in Hua Hin, ever how you want to pronounce it, Huahin. We'll just go with Hua Hin for now. It's Tuesday morning, been here for about 6 days now, I think it is. I'm losing track of time. Weather's been perfect, where it's been getting rain throughout a lot of places in Thailand, like Phuket and Bangkok. Torrential flooding because it's the monsoon season. It's been relatively non-existent here. This is one of the reasons why I chose this place. You don't get the deluge of heavy rain showers like you get in other parts. The weather's perfect. It's overcast in the mid 80s. Humidity's low. Rained last night. Not many people on the beach. Perfect. So gonna do some beach combing. Gonna do some walking around. Show you a little bit about the area. And we're slowly going to be approaching Monkey Mountain, which I'll show you some video on that. So stay tuned. Glad you joined us. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thanks for joining us. Have a good day. Monkey Mountain. At low tide.